forget that we humans, we are expendable. Yes, meaning you are replaceable in that your work that you think, oh, if I don't go to work today, the work can never be the same. Nobody can work the way I work. Really? Or you as a mom, you thinking, oh, if I'm not at home, if I don't cook that soup, if I don't do that thing, nobody can do it the way I'm doing it. Instead of you to have a nap, to rest, you'll be stressing yourself. You know that your legs are shaking already. You are feeling that headache. Instead of you to just rest, no, you want to continue. You want to finish doing everything before you rest. I was once like you, but my dear, it's not nice. Too much stress. It has a lot of damage in our body. Yes. You don't know. Because you are still struggling now, you think everything is good. You are replaceable until you know this. I think you will not be able to do better. You need that rest. Try and take a break. I hear many people saying, oh, like the lady that was about to talk about now. I've been calling her since how many weeks? She didn't pick my phone. I didn't even know that she was in the hospital. Because the last time I saw her, she asked me to do something for her. I said, okay. She was rushing to work with her friend. I met her at the bus station. And she told me, oh, Mama, don't worry, I will call you. She was just in a hurry. But at the same time, she was complaining that, oh, she's sick. She will have not even go to this job now. But I was saying, hey, you can rest now. She said, no, Mama, she can't rest too, because if she decide to just cancel this shift now, at this last minute, they won't give her any shift anymore, which is understandable. I know that's what a lot of agencies do here in the UK. But that does not mean when you are sick, you know that you are not feeling fine, then you now leave your health and go and work for another man. It's not that it's your job. You are not working for yourself, you are working for someone else. Just imagine on that. Should I call it faithful or unfaithful? Together. Thank God the Bible says that all things work together for good to them that love God. Because as I speak, it could be that she will have died on that day as well. But she didn't. She collapsed at work. They had to rush her to the hospital. Since then, she said she has been in the hospital. They just discharged her a few days ago because of stress. She has overlabored herself. She could not even recognize that she had high blood pressure. She said that high blood pressure, when she got